A lot of videos show how to change your lawn mower to RC control. This video to show you how to install alternator to charge your battery while mowing. First, your mower needs to be rear wheel self-pulling. This helps you to take off the differential which not in need anymore and install an alternator. It requires some steel work to make a right mount and adjusting bolt. Then using the 20 amp regulator from John Deere as shown in the picture to connect to your 12V battery. Use the same belt, it fit this alternator model. Just need to remove the tension pulley. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will answer as soon as possible.